This is a quick video looking at the Lantana can opener. It's a bit different from other can openers on how it opens the can. So let's put this into frame and take a look. Now, first thing, if you just rest it on the side here and then turn, it will then lock onto the rim of the can like that. Then now you've got that pressure, simply turn it all the way around and don't go further than one rotation. You can kind of see it on the rim here where you've cut so far, and it will get looser as soon as you run past where you've cut before. There. Now what you need to do once you've done one rotation is just reverse slightly, and that unlocks and you can take it off. Now there's a thin rim here where you can get your thumbnail underneath and pull, or on the tin opener itself there's this bottle opener, but it's also designed to fit into that lip, so if there's a bit of suction on the can then that will loosen it and not destroy your fingernails. So that's another way of getting this open, like that. So that's how to use it. It is very easy to use, and as you can see that comes off, and you can actually, all of those edges are safe, not sharp, and you can just put the top of the can back on like that, and it kind of reseals it, which is very handy. So thanks for watching.